$12,749. That number is real. It is confirmed. And it is about to kill the $1,025 that the American auto industry has been extracting from your bank account every single month for decades. I am not just talking about your car payment. I am talking about the whole system. Insurance, $4.41 a gallon gas, oil changes, brake jobs, the mysterious check engine light that appears 3 days after your warranty expires, the $6,000 bumper repair after a parking lot tap. Add it up. Americans over 55 spend $12,297 every year to keep a depreciating machine running. That is $1,025 every month. That is $122,970 over 10 years on a car that will be worth $4,000 when you are done with it. The Tesla Model 2 does not just undercut that system, it kills it. And that is exactly why every dealership, every oil company, and every bank collecting interest on your 72-month auto loan is praying you never watch this video. In the next 12 minutes, I am going to show you why this $12,749 car is the most strategically dangerous vehicle ever built. But first, there is one thing inside this car that Elon Musk has never put in a Tesla before, something the entire automotive press missed completely. Stay with me. The system nobody wants you to escape. Let me say something uncomfortable. The American auto industry is not in the business of selling you cars. It is in the business of keeping you dependent on them, permanently, expensively, by design. Dealers make 49% of their total profit not from the sale, but from the service bay afterward. Oil changes you do not need every 3,000 miles. Brake fluid flushes your car does not require. Diagnostics at $200 an hour to tell you what your dashboard already said for free. Oil companies spent $90 million lobbying Congress in 2024 alone, not to improve your fuel economy, to slow down EV adoption, to keep you at the pump. The average new car loan in America is now $735 a month at 7.1% interest over 72 months. On a $42,000 vehicle that will be worth $18,000 when the loan ends. You pay $52,920 for a car worth $18,000. The math is not a mistake. The math is the product. A leaked executive eyes-only memo from Giga, Texas confirms Tesla's production costs are locked at $9,200 per unit. Tesla makes $3,549 gross profit on a $12,749 car. Toyota makes $1,800 on a $28,000 Corolla. Tesla is printing more money per unit than Toyota, at a price that makes every other automaker's business model mathematically impossible to compete with. That is not disruption, that is demolition. And it starts April 17, 2026, the day reservations open. But the price is the headline. The engineering is the story. And buried inside that engineering is the thing the press completely missed. 5 breakthroughs that destroy the competition. Breakthrough 1. The chassis. A single 9,000-ton GigaPress casting machine produces the entire chassis in one 80-second cycle, replacing 70 separate stamped and welded parts. No welds means no weak points. No bolts means no rattles, ever. The aerospace-grade aluminum alloy hits 450 megapascals of tensile strength. A Honda Civic frame runs 270. The Model 2 is 67% stronger than the car it costs less than. Torsional stiffness, 45,000 Newton meters per degree. Double a Corolla, the car feels like a vault from day 1 to year 20. And the entire body weighs just 220 to 240 kilograms, 35 kilograms lighter than traditional construction, keeping interior noise at 64 to 66 decibels, quieter than your living room. Breakthrough 2. The AI. FSD version 14.2.1 runs 10 times more neural network parameters than the previous generation, 12 cameras, upgraded radar, 50% more precise, and for the first time in an affordable Tesla, short-range LiDAR in the front bumper. Triple-layer cross-verification eliminated phantom braking 100% of the time in 180,000 kilometers of real-world testing. 0 false stops. Your stop-and-go commute on the 405 becomes genuinely relaxing. Breakthrough 3. The suspension. Electromagnetic dampers adjust in 10 milliseconds, 5 times faster than the best air suspension in any luxury vehicle. The AI scans the road 10 meters ahead and preloads the suspension 0.1 seconds before contact. Vibrations cut by 60%. On California's pothole highways, the Model 2 rides on par with an Audi RS7 that costs $75,000. Breakthrough 4, the battery. Sodium-ion chemistry with a boiling point above 250 degrees Celsius. 3,000 to 5,000 full charge cycles before dropping below 80% capacity. At 12,000 miles per year, the American average, this battery lasts 77 to 130 years before meaningful degradation. The battery will outlast the vehicle. Tesla just ended planned battery obsolescence. Breakthrough 5. Self-maintenance. This is the one the press missed. Over 200 sensors monitor every critical component in real time. That data feeds an AI that does not tell you when something breaks. It predicts when something will break, weeks or months in advance. Software issues are resolved overnight via over-the-air updates through 5G or Starlink. Hardware issues trigger automatic service bookings with cost estimates before you speak to anyone. No surprise bills, no oil changes, no timing belts, no transmission fluid. The dealership service model generates $52 billion per year in the United States. The Model 2's self-maintenance system is a direct assault on every dollar of it. And that is the thing nobody is saying out loud. When the car navigates itself and maintains itself, what exactly is the dealer selling you? Nothing, and they know it. The price that cannot move. Everyone remembers the Model 3, announced at $35,000. By the time most people could buy one, $46,990. The Model 2 is structurally different, and here is exactly why the price cannot move. The LFP battery pack, 53 kilowatt hours, costs 31% less than the 2023 equivalent. Lithium iron phosphate chemistry is now cheaper than nickel-based cells. CATL is ramping Nevada production specifically for Model 2 volume. Supplier contracts are locked through 2027. Steel, glass, motors, batteries, all pre-negotiated. No inflation can touch these vehicles. And the business reason nobody will say out loud, if the Model 2 breaks $13,000, it loses its kill shot. It stops being the car that ends the $1,025 a month trap. Internal emails confirm the non-negotiable line: stay under $13,000 or the entire strategic purpose collapses. $12,749. No dealer markups, no documentation fees, no destination charges buried in fine print. Reservations open April 17th, 2026. Deposit $500, fully refundable. First deliveries October 2026. California, Texas, and Florida get production priority. Tesla targets 8,000 units per week by December 2026, enough to clear the backlog in 6 months if you order early. 2 configurations: 53 kilowatt-hours standard range for 250 miles, or 68 kilowatt-hours long range for 310 miles at approximately $2,100 more. Model 3 reservations hit 450,000 in the first month. Model 2 will break that record because $35,000 is aspirational. $12,749 is accessible. There is a critical difference between a car people want and a car people can actually buy. In late 2026, a car arrives that costs less than a 3-year-old used truck. That rides quieter than a Lexus. That predicts its own repairs before they happen. That carries a battery designed to outlive the vehicle itself, and that out-accelerates a 2025 BMW 340i when you merge onto the freeway. This is not the cheapest electric car in the world. It is the first electric car designed from the ground up to permanently kill the $1,025 monthly drain that the entire American auto industry built its business model around. $12,749. The machine that extracted $122,970 from you over the last decade just met the car that ends it. Comment Model 2 right now if you are reserving on day 1. Subscribe and turn on notifications. I drop the direct reservation link the moment Tesla opens it. Next week, real electricity costs, real insurance premiums, 1 full month of Model 2 ownership in California, accurate to the penny. You will not believe what your monthly bill becomes.